Dear friends, my name is Charles Koi Kenya, and this is my homemade sanitizing machines. And I also have a small helicopter here. Uh, and I would like us to know or test my mechanism to understand whether my helicopter can fly. As you can see there at the tail, it is where we use to control the direction. And here is moving forward and moving backward. And here is rotating the brakes. Here is rotating the brake so that you can increase the height, or when the helicopter is flying upwards, that is when we tilt the brakes, and when we are coming downwards, you release the pitch of the brake. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and beautiful videos. God bless you.